Okay, so it definitely started to rain a lot harder. Yeah, it's pretty much, it's pouring right now. It's pouring down hard right now. That's why I came back outside, because obviously you can see it right there a lot better. That's pretty crazy. I don't know. It's getting closer to my time to leave, and actually both of my umbrellas are in my car, so I don't know how that's going to work out, but yeah, that's pretty crazy. Just had to come out here real quick and capture this, because wow, it definitely is. I'm videoing right now.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Yep, see, that's crazy right there. It's coming down pretty hard. Definitely. Okay. For sure. You can definitely see that now. There's lightning. The lightning doesn't really capture too well on the camera. But I can tell you right now, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. It's really cold outside. The wind's crazy. You can tell that little truck right there. The street's getting, you know, more flooded looking. But I gotta go. I gotta get in and get dressed, get ready to go to work. So try to get that other clip or right there.